Hi everyone, welcome to our speech group today. We are going to do another sound for this week. Here is the sound. Do you know what sound that is? Let's first start with what letter it is. I'm going to write it bigger. What letter is that? That's right. That is the letter F. And who knows what F says? F says, remember, you bite your bottom lip softly, you put your top teeth on your lip, and blow out air. Let's sing about it. The F says, the F says, every letter makes a sound, the F says. On our picture, it has a cat because it's the cat sound. Because if a cat gets mad, it says. All right, here is our puppet. What is he? He's a frog. Frog starts with our F sound. Frog, frog, that's my name. Frog, frog, that's my name. What is yours? Is it the same? What's your name? Frog, frog, that's my name. Okay, do you think it's a long or a short sound? Let's see, let's make it and see. It is a long sound. We can make it for a long time and hold it out for a long time. And as we put our top teeth on our lip and blow out air, it is a long sound. So remember that when you're practicing. Today we're going to do the F sound at the front and at the back of the words. Let's see how many times we're going to say it. One, two, three, four. Okay, we are going to say it 4 times. 4 starts with the F sound. 4. What number comes after 4? 5. 5 also starts with the F sound. So when you practice counting, remember when you say 4 and 5, make the F sound right. Put your teeth on top of your lip and blow out air. Okay, here's our first one. This one says, ah, ah. So we're going to have our and ah together. Fa, fa. Let's say it 4 times together. Fa, 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 fa. Nice. The next one is ooh, ooh. Our lips are a circle, ooh. So we're going to put it together and it says boo, boo. Let's do it 4 times and say it together. Here we go. Boo, 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 boo. Nice. Okay, here's the next one. This is ah. You look, it's the crying sound, remember? And when he cries, he says ah. So if we put it with the F, it says fa, fa. let's say it 4 times together. Fa, 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 fa. Did you bite your lip? And did you blow out air? And did you make it a long sound when you said it? Okay, I have 3 more, and this time they're going to be, the F will be at the end of the word. So this one is the arrow's pointing up, our up sound. Okay, when it goes together, it says uff, uff. All right, we're going to say it 4 times. Here we go. Uff, 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 uff. Good. Did you see how my mouth was opened when it said the and then it shut, and my teeth went on my lip when I said the uff, uff. Okay, here's our silly one. This is our pig sound. It says oi, because a piggy can say oink. So it says oi. When we put it with our F, it says oif. Our mouth is moving. Our lips are more of a circle. And then it goes down to put it on our teeth on top of our bottom lip. So my mouth looks like oif, oif. Here we go. 4 times. Oif, 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 oif. Okay, last one. Here's our egg sound. Remember, our egg sound says eh, eh. When we put it together, it says F, like our letter we're practicing today, F. Okay, let's say the word F 4 times. F, 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 F. Nice. Okay, the book we're going to read today is called Rumble in the Jungle. And there's actually a lot of words that have the F sound in it at the front or at the back of the book. I'm going to scoot up so you can see it a little bit better. Listen for all of the F sounds at either the front or the back of the words in the book. There's a rumble in the jungle. There's a whisper in the trees. The animals are waking up and rushing and rustling the leaves. The hippo's at the water hole. The leopard's in his lair. The chimpanzees are chattering and swinging everywhere. Some animals are frightening and some are sweet and kind. So let's go to the jungle now and see who we can find. Chimpanzee. It's great to be a chimpanzee swinging through the trees, and if we can't find more nuts to eat, we munch each other's fleas. Lion. The lion's the king of the jungle, who quietly sits on his paws, but everyone quivers and shudders and shivers as soon as he opens his jaws. Elephant. Elephant has the F sound in the middle of the word. Elephant. It's great to be an elephant, all big and fat and round, and wander through the jungle just elephing around. Zebra. I could have been gray like a donkey or brown like my cousin the mule, but instead I've got stripes, which my lady friends like, since they make me look handsome and cool. Friend starts with the F sound. snake. The boa constrictor's a slippery snake who squashes then swallows his prey. He knows that it's not very friendly or kind, but they do taste much nicer that way. Giraffe. Giraffe has our F sound at the end. Giraffe. Some animals laugh at the gangly giraffe, but I hold my head up and feel proud. When my head's in the air and my cheeks, I really don't care when my head's in the air and my cheeks getting kissed by a cloud. Rhinoceros. The ravenous rhino is big, strong, and tough. But his skin is all baggy and flappy, which means that there's plenty of room for his lunch that makes him terribly happy. Gorilla. The gorilla is big, black, and hairy, and the thing he likes to do best is to look all ferocious and scary and wallop his giant great chest. Leopard. If you meet a hungry leopard prowling through the night, make sure you call him sir and be incredibly polite. Tiger. Because of the terrible tiger, you don't always know when he's near, but his eyes shine like lights in the blackest of nights, and his growl makes you tremble with fear. The night has started falling, but the jungle never sleeps. The vulture circles slowly while the leopard softly creeps. And if you listen quietly, you might just hear the growl of a hungry pair of panthers who are still out on the prowl. The lions and their little cubs are sleeping in their den, so let's leave them all till tomorrow when we'll visit them again. Good night. Okay, one last thing I want to talk about before we end. You know what that lobster is a picture of? What do you think he is? He has an apron on and a hat on, and he's making some food. He is a chef, and chef has the F sound at the end of the word, chef. I know we've talked about a chef before in our class. Do you guys remember what a chef is? A chef is someone who cooks food. Like if you go to a restaurant and they make food for you and you order it, that is a chef. A chef uses different things in the kitchen to cook, a bowl and a spoon. How about a fork? Fork starts with our F sound. And how about a knife? Knife ends with our F sound. So a chef can use lots of different things to cook food for you. So maybe this week you can pretend to be a chef at home and you can make some food for your family. Food starts with the F sound. So maybe you can put on an apron and you can cook some food and pretend to be a chef. And you can practice your F sound while you're talking about the different food you're gonna make and what you'll make as a chef, and maybe you'll need to use a fork or a knife, and maybe you'll need 4 or 5 different ingredients for the food that you make. So have fun this week while you work with the F sound and pretend to be a chef and cook something fun. Okay, bye. See you next week.
But I won't